ended. And I'm sad because camp ended. And I miss everyone so much already. But I came back. I saw these guys. Look at them. They look so stupid. Right now, Yuki is the cutest. Yeah, they have names. This one's Kayo, because she's a female. This one's Yuki, and this one's Jake. So let me show them to you. I hope none of their weird faces become the thumbnail of this video. Hi, Kayo. I don't know what's wrong with your right eye, though. What do you... Look at Jake. He's so stupid. He's so stupid. They look so stupid. But you guys are so cute. Let me just show you in the camera. No. Look at how much you've grown. Okay. No need to stop. No need to scream. No need to stop. What am I talking about? Oh, you guys are so cute. You guys are so cute. And here's Yuki. He's the cutest. Oh my god. And they're like staring at the camera. They were staring at the camera at some point. Look at how cute they are. But look at how big Jake is. And then look at how small Caillou is. But they've grown up so much. They're like so big now. Hi. And they're kind of trying to walk around now. And I've got to change this. And soon there's gonna start pooping and peeing all over the place. So they'll have to go outside. And they fight a lot. Like, look at that. And they're just biting each other. What are you doing? Are you planning to go out of your bed? I don't know what this is actually. I don't know what you call this. Not really a bed, honestly. But they're all so cute. And I'm sure you could just see Jake's butt. Yeah. You guys are so cute. You guys are so cute and so small. But so big. Yeah? Yeah, Jake? You remember Charlie from 2016? Well, he disappeared somewhere. And this guy really reminds me of him. Look at him. He's so stupid. Look at him. He's got the stupidest face in the world.